Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. Friends, आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to clear your doubts. Most of you have doubts regarding to the accommodation that the companies are providing in Dubai and in the entire UAE, whether you get it or you don't get it, or is it only for an individual, or the companies provide you for the family accommodation, like if you are married, so for your wife and for your children. So in this video we are going to clear all these doubts. क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों के बहुत सारे कुछ लोगों के ऐसे कमेंट्स हैं मेरे पास जिन्होंने ये मुझसे पूछा है, और कई बार मैंने कुछ कमेंट्स में ऐसा फील किया है कि आप लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन भी रहता है वेदर एकोमोडेशन कंपनी जो आपको देती है वो सिर्फ आपके लिए है या आपकी फैमिली को भी अकोमोडेशन मिलता है, और किस तरह का अकोमोडेशन मिलता है नहीं मिलता है. सो all the things regarding the benefit called accommodation provided by the companies in UAE, I will clear and discuss with you in detail today in this video. So वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा ताकि आपको इस बेनिफिट के बारे में पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल सके, क्योंकि हम अकोमोडेशन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट है जिसके बारे में आपको जानना चाहिए. क्योंकि हम किसी नई कंट्री में जाते हैं तो दो तीन चीज़ें हमारे माइंड में होती हैं. एक होता है कि हमारा कितना खर्चा होगा, दूसरा होता है हमारा एकोमोडेशन, कि हम कहाँ पर रहेंगे, कैसे रहेंगे, क्या कंपनी हमें प्रोवाइड करेगी या हमें खुद देखना पड़ेगा. तो एकोमोडेशन एक मेजर कंसर्न हम लोगों की होती है व्हेन एवर वी आर गोइंग टू अ फॉरेन कंट्री, अ फॉरेन लैंड फॉर जॉब. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ फार्मा एंड जॉब्स इन दुबई को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा, पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन लीजिएगा. लाइक द वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कलीग्स हु आर इन फार्मा फील्ड. बट ये एक कॉमन वीडियो है जो कि फार्मा के लिए ही नहीं है. एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू कम टू UAE एंड वांट टू नो अबाउट दिस accommodation thing, they want to clear the doubt on accommodation, the video is a common video for everyone. So now let's begin the video. So friends, यहाँ पे UAE labor law के according to the UAE labor law, you get many benefits. Out of so many benefits, I'm not going to discuss all those benefits, I'll just talk about accommodation. So the topic for today is accommodation, so I will just only talk about accommodation. So friends, the thing is that the companies, almost all the companies, it's not about some particular companies, but all the companies, they in their whenever you will get agreement, there will be a thing called accommodation. Okay, some companies, they provide accommodation, means they will give you a flat or they will give you a room. Some companies do not provide any accommodation and they will give you some lump sum amount, okay, that they have fixed for their employers, for their employees, depending on their what category they are in. Are they managers? Are they executives? Are they like depends on, are they in the reception, are they in the admin, or in the higher managerial positions. So it depends on. So on these things, on these notes, they provide accommodation. There are companies who are providing accommodation to their employees. Okay, some of them are giving flats, some of them gives room. There are many companies which do not provide accommodation. So you will, for that you will get some amount in your salary by the name accommodation. That means the company is not giving you any room or flat to live. They are giving you amount so that you can find a accommodation for yourself. You can find a house, a flat for or a room or a living space for yourself in that money. Although that money is sometimes sufficient and sometimes it's not sufficient, but like if you are an individual, if you are a bachelor, you are coming to UAE as a bachelor, as a single person, then you may find it sufficient for you, the amount of accommodation they have included in the salary, because as I told you in my video which is on the rent. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो please go the video. I will also put it in my description below. You can see the link and you can open that link and see where it tells you about the rent in Dubai, what kind of accommodations you get here in Dubai. So friends, in that note, they will give you the amount. That does not mean that they are giving you any accommodation, because they have given you the amount. Now you have to find yourself whether you want to have some people prefer to stay alone. They take a whole room for themselves. They search for a room and they stay separate. Some people do not want to share their room, share their flat or studio with anybody. But there are people who want to save money and they don't want to spend more money in their room rents, in their accommodation rents. So what they do is they go for bed spaces, they go for sharing accommodations, sharing rooms, so that the entire amount is divided between all the roommates, flatmates, and you get a reasonable price for your accommodation in UAE, and you save quite a good amount from your salary. For those, the company is giving accommodation, they don't have to do anything, because the accommodation that company has provided, you don't have to pay for it. The company handles all the annual rent of that accommodation, so you don't have to worry about it. You just they have given you'll just go there and you live. But for those to whom they have not provided, they have to look for them and they have to then think where they are going to live. Mostly people prefer to live nearby their workplaces so that they save money in transportation too. Now one more thing, there are companies who are providing accommodation to the bachelors. Like if you are coming single, like if you are just past your graduations and you're coming here for a job, then they will provide you a room. In that room, you're not going to live alone, so you will have many flatmates, roommates. You may have flatmates also if it is a 1 BHK or a 2 BHK, and if it's a single big room, a studio kind of thing, then you will have other roommates in that. All will be your colleagues, your seniors, your juniors, or people who are in the same position as you are in. So you will get a room accommodation, but a sharing accommodation provided by the company. So there are companies even in pharma field, because most of the videos are on pharma, so I must tell my pharma viewers and subscribers about this, that there are pharma companies who are giving you accommodation, but you don't get it only for yourself, you get it for the whole there are many people there, as I told you. You will have many, all are your colleagues. Okay, so that's good also actually sometimes, because you come to know many things, you learn many things, and it's a support also for yourself. So there are companies who are providing this kind of accommodation, which is sharing. Some companies, to their higher, the people who are in the hierarchy in the company, in the managerial levels, they are providing them 1 BHK kind of or studio kind of accommodation. There are such companies as well. And some people have asked me about whether they give accommodation for the family or not, because I know some of you are students, some of you are working. I'm talking about you all guys. So some of you are students, some of you are working, and many of you are married who have wife. Many of you will have children as well. So some of you wants to know even this thing, that if we want to bring our family, our wife, or want to bring wife and children both, will the company give us that accommodation, or they will not give the accommodation? So guys, if it is in the company rule, as I said, some companies give, then they will give you. If it is not in their policy, they will not give you. They will only provide you the amount that they have assigned to that level of employee. Okay, like executive or manager, like that level I'm talking about, in the hierarchy, in the positions in their company. So depending on that, you will get the amount. Okay, like if you are at a lower position, you will get some lesser amount. The people who are in a higher position, they get higher amount for their accommodation as well in their salary. So it depends on. So slowly as you get in, you will come to know. So friends, to be very true, and मैं आप लोगों से झूठ भी नहीं बोलूँगी और गलत आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मैं नहीं देती हूँ. जो भी मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करती हूँ, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट टू माई नॉलेज, वट आई नो, वट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड, वट आई शेयर विद माई फ्रेंड्स एंड कलीग्स, वट दे शेयर विद मी. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स ओनली मैं आपके संग शेयर करती हूँ. तो फैमिलीज़ को यहाँ पे बहुत कम अकोमोडेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अगर मैं अपने फार्मा फील्ड की बात करूँ तो इट्स वेरी रेयर, बहुत ही रेयर है कि फैमिली अकोमोडेशन मिलता है. बहुत कम, कहीं किसी हॉस्पिटल में ये रूल है कि फैमिली अकोमोडेशन मिल जाती है. बट देन दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन लक कि आपको हॉस्पिटल में जॉब मिलती भी है कि नहीं मिलती है. एंड ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स ऑल्सो डू नॉट प्रोवाइड दिस फैमिली अकोमोडेशन. एक नॉर्मल लमसम अमाउंट आपको मिल जाता है इन द नेम ऑफ अकोमोडेशन. उसमें से ही आपको अपने लिए अकोमोडेशन में आप खर्चा भी कर सकते हो. चाहो तो उस अमाउंट में से अपने लिए आप कुछ सेव भी कर सकते हो. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस वॉज अबाउट अ वीडियो ऑन अकोमोडेशन. आई होप आपके जो डाउट्स थे वो सारे क्लियर हो गए होंगे. यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड बाय नाउ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ अकोमोडेशन इन UAE और इन Dubai. So if you have any comments, please do let me know. I'll share my experiences with you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video.